We have just launched our cake studio, and I'm going to be reviewing the ovens that I've gotten for my new cake studio. I have gotten the Neff ovens. These ovens, at the time of consultation with the sales manager at Aldins, I was told that these ovens are the only ovens with the slide and hide technology. They have the patent for this, which means no other oven manufacturer can make the slide and hide oven. This is very interesting and I find it very useful for my business. It is also the oven used on the Great British Bake Off on Channel 4.
Where's the door gone? Well, the door doesn't just cool oven, isn't it? Look at that. Oh wow, that is so cool.
They use the N90 range, but this is the N50 range. Secondly, you can hide your knobs after using your oven. This is easy for cleaning and also if you've got an active toddler. The fan option of this oven is fantastic. For the past 2 weeks that I've been using it, my cakes bake faster than other fan ovens that I've used. What would normally take me an hour is already taking me like 45 minutes. Also, the fan option of this oven cools the oven down after baking. So after baking and when you switch off the oven, the fan option still keeps working just to bring the oven temperature back to normal. Do you think it's a good investment? Do you think you will like this in your cake studio? Let me know in the comment section.